So we have already covered our chapter till new plants from other parts of the plants. तो यहाँ तक हमने कवर अप कर लिया था ऑलरेडी. So now we will be starting up with crops and vegetable. So first of all, what are the crops and vegetable? Plants of one kind grown in a particular area or region during a particular period of time is known as crop. So basically, you can see my screen over here. Crop is a plant or animal product that can be grown and harvested extensively for profit or subsistence. Like अगर हम किसी भी चीज़ को एक पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप को या प्रोडक्ट को ग्रो करते हैं प्रिसाइजली फॉर द प्रॉफिट अर्निंग एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन में, देन सच टाइप ऑफ प्लांट ग्रोइंग इज नोन एज crop. Most crops are harvested as food for humans और fodder for the lifestyles. बेसिकली या तो फूड के लिए या तो फिर फॉडर मीन्स होता है घास वगैरह फॉर द एनिमल्स के लिए. ओके, सो नाउ देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हेयर from my screen, that is rabi and the kharif crop. Kharif crops are basically rainy season crops and these are non-rainy season crops. It needs hot temperature kharif and it needs cold and dry conditions. तो it's basically sown मतलब होता है ग्रो किया जाता है बेसिकली रेनी सीजन में जून और जुलाई एंड इसको किया जाता है अक्टूबर नवंबर में, राइट. These crops are harvested during September, October at the end of monsoon and these are harvested in the March, April and advance. Example इसके खारिफ के rice, maize, groundnuts. इसके example है wheat, barley and gram, right. Next is our agriculture. So when you see your book, the Rabi Kharif examples are given to you and different plants not only grow in different climates and seasons but also require different kinds of soil like clay soil. ठीक है, it is best for rice and jute because it holds lot of water. That is given on your book on page number 12. That is why more rice is grown in the West Bengal. On the other hand, wheat is grown in sandy and irrigated soil of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Jowar and bajra in sandy like Rajasthan. Cotton grows well in the black soil of the central western India. These things you have to learn it. Tea needs moist. जैसा टेम्परेचर उनको चाहिए, जिस हिसाब की सॉइल की क्वालिटी होती है उसी टाइप का प्लांट वहाँ पे अच्छे से ग्रो करते हैं. And grow on the slopes of the hilly areas like Assam, Nilgiris, Darjeeling. Coconut in the coastal areas like Kerala, Goa. Maize in the dry soil of plains or hills. Onion and groundnut needs well drained and sandy soil. Now coming up to the agriculture, plants need to be grown on a larger scale. ठीक है, जो भी फार्मिंग हमारी लार्जर स्केल में होती है दैट इज़ नोन एज एग्रीकल्चर. ओके, नाउ what are the things we should needed to grow a healthy crop? That is given in a book also. मैन्योर डाला जाता है, फर्टिलाइजर्स डाले जाते हैं, केमिकल, सो दैट फार्मिंग अच्छे से उनको न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड हो सके. बट ओवर यूजिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए फर्टिलाइजर्स की बिकॉज ये क्रॉप की क्वालिटी को स्पॉइल करते हैं. नाउ फॉर अ गुड एंड हेल्दी क्रॉप वी शुड नीड गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ seeds. As you can see, these are the steps: soil management, crop strategy, nutrition, fertilizer, pest management, seed and plant material, water management. मतलब soil को अच्छे से देखना पड़ता है कि उसकी टिलिंग और ग्रोइंग कैसी है. पेस्ट मतलब कीड़ों से बचाना होता है. सीड मतलब सीड की क्वालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. वाटर मैनेजमेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए, पानी अच्छे से मिले. मैन्योर या फर्टिलाइजर्स का न्यूट्रिशन उनको अच्छे से मिले और क्रॉप्स को कैसे ग्रो करना है, राइट. सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स. इट इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन ऑन योर बुक. प्रिपेयर द सोइल प्रॉपरली, यूज ए हेल्दी सीड, एड द मैन्योर फर्टिलाइजर, इरीगेट द सोइल, यूज द इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स टू अवॉइड द पेस्ट. पेस्ट मतलब कीड़े मकोड़ों से, इंसेक्ट मतलब इंसेक्टिसाइड्स. नाउ द लास्ट टॉपिक इज protection crop of crops and storage of the seeds. So it can be protected from grazing animals कि पूरा वो खा ना जाए लाइक काऊ वगैरह. पेस्ट से बचाना चाहिए लाइक कि ग्रास हॉपर वगैरह ईट ना करे. डिसीजेस से बचाना चाहिए सो दैट वो ख़राब ना हो. कीप इट इन द सनलाइट टू रिमूव द मॉइस्चर एंड देन इट शुड बी keep in the cold storage containing the containers जिसमें से rats वगैरह उसको ख़राब ना करे. It is given in a book also on page number 13 कि कैसे हमें disease से बनाना है. Big animals can be kept away by proper fencing. They have to be kept safe from the rats, moles, birds, squirrels, so that they must be stored in airtight sealed containers. Plants like other need to be cared. Under favorable condition, they grow well. A good crop adds to the wealth of the country. So we have already finished off the chapter. I have attached the exercise. I will be discussing up the exercise now. A seed with two seeds is called a dicot seed. I am dictating the answers. Right soil, warmth, enough air and water are necessary conditions for the growth of seeds. New plants are grown from the leaves of the Barophyllum, which feature helps a coconut fruit to float in water, a fibrous outer covering. Plants that need clay soil to grow well are jute and rice. Insecticides and pesticides protect crop from being destroyed by the pest. Maize has one seed leaves. Any part of potato that has bud can grow into a new plant. Third one is rabi crops. Wheat and grams are the examples of rabi crops. Onion and groundnut grow well in the sandy soil. Plants help to reduce soil erosion. सी वाले पे आते हैं. कंप्लीट द सीरीज. मैंगो है सीड से, कैरेट्स होता है रूट से, हिप्टेज विंड से, पी एक्सप्लोजर से. पी कैबेज विंटर, तो राइस समर पे, राइस क्ले पे, तो कॉटन ब्लैक सॉइल, मेज ड्राई सॉइल, ज्वार सैंडी सॉइल. कमिंग टू पेज नंबर 15 नाउ. If you were a gardener, which part of the plant would you grow in a new plant? Rice plant grow होता है seed से, rose stem से, ginger plant also stem but underground stem. Onion plant also underground stem. Sweet potato root से, Birophyllum plants with the help of leaves. Now coming to the short question answers. Name the outer covering of the seed and the answer is seed coat. What is monocot seeds which has one seed leaf? Example rice. What is germination? The development of seed into a seedling is known as germination. What is meant by the dispersal of the seed? So that is given on page number 10. Dispersal known as the scattering, or you can say that I have marked if the plants grow near the parent plant, it will not see. It is given on page number 10. Second paragraph, dispersal of seed, last third line. The seeds or fruit away from their parent cell. This process is known as the agent carry the seed or fruits away from their parent plant. This process is known as dispersal. Last third line of the paragraph, dispersal of seed. Next is what is kharif crop. We have already discussed right now under the heading crops and vegetation. इसका भी लास्ट लाइन. क्रॉप्स ग्रोन फ्रॉम जून टू अक्टूबर गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 12 आर कॉल्ड खारिफ क्रॉप. एग्जाम्पल राइस. वाई डू वी spray pesticides on crops? It is given on the page 12 last paragraph. We spray pesticides so that it can protect the crop from being destroyed by the pest. Now F question. How plants are useful? That is given on page number 8. Lot of functions are there. They supply us live living oxygen. They help to reduce the soil erosion. Life on the earth cannot exist without plants. Now name the different parts of the seeds. Draw the well labeled diagrams. So that is given on page number 9. Activity 1 में जो भी diagram है you have to write it down. Name भी given है, diagram भी. Name the condition for germination. Again page number 10. The condition necessary for germination is air, moisture, warmth यानी sunlight. Air, moisture are necessary conditions for air, moisture, that means water, and sunlight are necessary conditions for the germination of a seed. Why must seeds be dispersed? What are the agents? That is given on page number 10. That if all the baby plant grow near, under the heading dispersal, the second line, near the plant not would survive. They would not get the enough sunlight, food, is water, space to grow. That is why they need to be scattered, and agents उसी के नीचे given है. It is carried out by the wind, water and animal by the exposure of the fruits. Now what is agriculture? अभी हमने पढ़ा the practice of growing plant on a larger scale is called agriculture, given on page 12. Now coming to the hot questions. Let us do को कट कर दीजिए, वो नहीं करना है. हॉट्स का पहला वाला है a papaya has many seeds. Each papaya can grow into a new tree. However, no, it does not happen to everyone. Why? Because it is tough for the papaya seeds to reach to the soil, and lot of competition is there among for the proper space, air and water to grow. That is why हर seed grow नहीं कर पाती. That is why it is not possible. Second one, why cannot all the seeds be dispersed by the wind? So the answer is all the seeds cannot be dispersed by this because they need light weight or hair like a structure to carry forward so that wind can carry them off. Okay. Last, why we cannot grow tree in the Rajasthan? Because it needs moist soil and grows on the slopes of hilly areas, whereas Rajasthan soil is sandy in nature. So we have also discussed the back exercise. You have to do it in the notebook. Tomorrow we will be having our live class sessions, so we will be discussing if you have any doubt in it. Okay, I hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.